This is the unboxing of GL oil separator. So inside you got one sticker, you got one service, three service sticker, so you put the date when the last time you check, QR code, instruction, same thing here. We got the bracket, you got two stainless steel screw and one stud to screw to the intake. And that's it. Then you got the catch can. So catch can, you got like really nice fitting with OEM connector. So it's like OEM connector. So unscrew the catch can, got small reservoir. Inside you got like the baffle and like a pre-filter, and that's it. It's all aluminum. Those connector, like the 90-degree, those are plastic, and we're gonna install it on the car and we're gonna see which one is better. I got also the billet technology catch can, which is bigger, but it's kind of awkward. It's when you do the oil change, it's you're gonna see later on, it's kind of on the way when you do the oil change, because the hose, instead of doing like a 90 degrees, it goes like straight and it goes past the filter. So you're gonna see on the next video. Okay, this is the billet technology catch can. So basically you got two hoses. One hose is right underneath the oil stick, and the problem I have with this is you got hose that goes here and it's right underneath the filter, so you have to push the hose to get access to the filter. So last time I went to Costco, they didn't want to do my oil change because they had to like touch the hose to get access to the filter. So basically they kind of, dumped the oil, they did the oil change, and after that they didn't want to accept my payment, and they say they didn't warranty the oil change. So basically I changed for the GL oil separator. So basically this one is gonna mount like this, and it's actually gonna clear the filter, so they can have access to the filter. It's stuck underneath, and then you can put the cover back on. So we're gonna do this installation. First we're gonna remove the billet technology catch can, which is pretty simple. I'm gonna screw it first. Then you can see it. It's like I've got like 2,000 kilometers, and I got like a quarter cup of nasty stuff already inside of it. So, and the difference, it's with the GL, you've got the like OEM kind of connector. With the other one, it's just like a hose that's like clip like that, so it's not that really secure. If the tap here breaks, that's it, that's all. The hose is coming off, and the one underneath there, it was like it's like a 90 degrees, so it's even you know, it didn't stick on because the plastic clip here was like too weak. So we're gonna change this, the billet technology for this one here. So you see how fast was, you know, how quick you can unclip it. So in this one, it's kind of a tight spot, but so basically this one I just had to pull on it and it came apart like that. So basically the other one is like way more secure for the rear connector there, since it's a OEM connector. So the only advantage of the billet technology, it's the size of the catch can. So this one is bigger. This one, I guess I'm gonna have to empty it more often than the other one. So you got like a screw with a set screw inside of it. Usually you unconnect the holes here, but they kind of stuck in there, so you're gonna have to unscrew it like that, which is not the best way, but it's gonna do the job. That's it. So basically you got like a baffle and a screen inside, a mesh screen inside of it, and on the GL different, you got the baffle and the screen on the other side. So different method, but do the same thing. So I'm gonna put the hose behind the intake, remove this one out of the way. And here you gotta put the stud. So basically you've got a stud already here. So screw this one here. You got the adapter here. and the screw that goes here. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna screw the ear, this one first here. It's gonna be easier. I'm gonna pass the hose on this side here, underneath first. Basically, super easy. This one is gonna go there. Clip here. Put the screw here. So basically, now you've got access to the filter without like touching the hose or removing the hose. So, and to have access to the catch can, just unscrew it. And then you can empty it and put it back on. Super easy. You can put the cover back on also, but usually when I buy a car, the plastic cover, I just take it apart because I don't like, you know, it keeps the heat inside the engine, so that way the engine can breathe easier. So that's it. So it's pretty easy to do. I guess it looks better. It looks more OEM than the billets catch can. Like the fitting are like super nice. So basically, the only disadvantage of this one is that, you know, I think it's a 5-ounce container. So, you know, you gotta check it often than the billet technology, because, you know, you can see the different size, and you know, that's it. So that's it for the installation of the catch can. So I'm pretty stoked about it. Difference price, it's, I think this one is like $200, and the billet technology, it's around $125 or something like that. So yeah, it's a bit expensive, but you know, you got way nicer fitting than the billet technology. So I'm gonna try this one and see how it goes. So thank you, bye.